Hello, Tasfai here from the Tutorial Academy. Thank you very much for coming to this video. This is Afan Oromo for communication purposes. We are dealing with different topic areas that are useful for communication. Today we are going to see colors in Afan Oromo. As you know, colors are very important in communication, as we usually refer to things in their colors and so on. So it is good to know colors as well. Then colors in Afan Oromo is called Hallu. I will introduce you with to the big. I will introduce you to the main colors here. Here, white is called Adi. White is called Adi. Adi. Adi is also refers to light as well. Even Adu means sun. Adu means sun. So it refers to daylight time. Guya Adi means daylight. So Adi is white. Adi also refers to the race white. So that's three specific, three different meanings: white color, white the day, the light, and white is the race as well. Black, gurracha, gurracha, gurracha. Gurracha also refers to night time, like darkness, like dark. Alkan gurracha means dark night. Gurracha is also just refers to race as well, just like English. Gurracha is also refers to it's just like English. Gurracha. Black goat. Gurracha. Reti gurrati, that is for feminine. Gurrati for feminine. Gurracha is for masculine, for male, and is for female. Gurrati. Gurracha. Gurrati also refers to for indicating the size being small, like little one. So reti gurrati, reti gurracha. Is Obama black or white? Obaman adimo gurracha. So this here it is referring to the race. Adi and the gurracha are referring both to the race. Red is called dima, dima, dima. Red like blood. Dima akka diga, diga is blood. Dima akka diga. Bring me red stew. Itto dima. Oh, it should have been M. It is not Dina. Dima na fid. Itto dima na fid. This is M. Other colors: yellow, kello. Yellow is called kello. I never see yellow dress. Wandabo kello arge himbeku. It's a color. Kello blooms yellow. So kello here is a type of bush plant. So it always blooms yellow because its color is yellow. The flower's color is yellow. Kellon, kello dararte, which means kello blooms yellow. Green, magarisa, magarisa, green, magarisa. Oromia is green. Oromian magarisadha. Oromian magarisadha. That is true. Red and the green go together. That means color. Diimaa fi magariisa waliin deemu. Diimaa fi magariisni was the right way was diimaa fi magariisni waliin deemu. So both expressing explaining, referring to color. Other colors, orange, these are related to the specific items they related to, just like English. Orange refers to orange fruit. So bifa burtukana, burtukana is orange as well. So bifa means color, as just like hallu or similarity, just look like something look like burtukana. So bifa burtukana is orange. Blue, bifa sami, sami means sky, bifa sami. Gray, bifa bora, bora means gray, actually multicolor. Brown, bifa buna, buna means coffee, so it's a coffee color. That's it for today. Now I have a few questions for you, so that you write the answers on the comments on the video. So write their meaning in English. Buna gurracha, what does that mean? Buna gurracha. Keelloo, keelloo. Bifa magariisa, sorry, biyya magariisa, biyya magariisa. What does that mean? If you have questions, also ask me. If you have any color you want to know a specific meaning or descriptions, you can ask me, and I will try to find answers for those. And thank you for being with me, and thank you, and have a nice time. Bye bye.